So we're on a special quarantine bus. And as you can see, Mel takes this quarantine very seriously. She's always got a pixie mask on. And if you remember, last time I was on the quarantine bus, I was on with Katz and Annie. So how are you feeling, Mel? Are you okay?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Can't hear you.
Yes.
Oh, very good.
All the jeeps required to cover, yes. All the jeepneys.
What?
It's required to cover.
Why?
Social distancing.
Why?
Social distancing. It's a protocol.
Why?
Why?
See, I can keep going on and keep saying why. It's a great word, isn't it? Why? Oh, just banged my head. So, what is? Having to give the money, yeah? Every passenger that got on, Mel's having to move from her seat to go and pay for them. So we're back here again, and hopefully I'm gonna come out and be a bit wiser, but I'm not holding my breath.
Elgin and Hannah waiting to us.
Yeah, we'll do two videos. We'll do this one, then we'll do one meeting Elgin and Hannah in SM.
Because Elgin is great.
Yeah, Elgin misses me. I can understand, but you know. Yeah. Elgin's is an American guy. He married Hannah quite a while ago. Now they've got 2 kids. But Elgin's not that old. I think he's late 20s. 33, is he? Oh, well, close. So we're going to meet them later, so we'll do that as a different video, obviously. If I come out of here, you know, and we're no further forward, that's it, I think, as far as I'm concerned. We shouldn't have to go to these lengths to get information. You just shouldn't have to do that. I'm going to make sure I see the supervisor today. I'm not talking to them behind the counter. I'll just sit there for however long it takes, I guess. So here we are again, guys, happy as can be. I've never worked so hard to pay tax in my life. So let's go. No gift policy. What's that mean? They're not going to give me a gift? That's outrageous. So we're actually seeing an officer now, Office of the Revenue District Officer. So we will know unequivocally whether I have to pay tax, when I have to pay tax, how much tax I have to pay, what the percentage is, when I have to start paying, you know, all the rest of it. So hopefully I'll be a bit wiser when I leave here today. There you go, very interesting. We've been up to the top floor, the main people who know what they're talking about, and had a very interesting conversation, haven't we, Mal?
Yeah.
And my mind has certainly put it at ease now, because we can't. We've done everything right, haven't we, babe?
Yeah.
We're going to do everything right.
She said, don't worry about the basher. Just...
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm not going to say anything because it's just going to start more the idiots coming on my channel, and I'm going to have to block people. I mean, I've let a few comments go from some people that has been on my channel a long time, and I'm not going to do it anymore, guys. Same as my live stream. If it loses me subscribers, I'm going to have to be like that. I don't go on anybody else's channel and bash anybody else's channel. I don't discuss anybody else's channel on my channel. I don't want drama, and to get back to some kind of normality before I started going on other people's channels, and it cost me big time on my channel. It just comes back to the channel. So I'm keeping myself to myself, and I'm going to be absolutely vicious and block anybody who, you know what I mean, comes on and causes drama. So before I go again, guys, go over to Crystal Dark Web and become a subscriber. Out of nearly 3,000 views on the two ladies, we only got about 40 something people subscribe on the channel. It doesn't, there should be something on there you like, but I mean, it shouldn't matter, because I'm asking you to just go subscribe and, you know, forget about it. But there's a lot of people not doing it, and what I'm surprised at as well, and you know who you are, there's people say they've actually subscribed. I'm going to have a look, and they haven't subscribed, because it actually lists, if you've got a blog, it lists the people who subscribe to your channel. So don't forget, when you go on, hit on the playlist and just let it run and forget about it. Get a coffee. Thanks to everybody for all your support. Thanks for everybody who's given us financial support. It's clear that the foreigner blogger, nothing, right, okay. So it's not been a fantastic video, guys, but it was just another one to acknowledge I've been back to BIR, and this time I've been upstairs to find out my tax status. So thanks to everybody who's made comments, and we'll see you on the next video.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye!
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.